all, I hope you are doing well. I am Shruti and you're watching Shruti Arts. In today's video, I am going to make something super cute related to Christmas. In this video, we are going to make Christmas decoration and these are really simple to make. One is a Santa and which is made by Fevicryl molded clay, and the other one is just made with a simple bottle and it looks really cute and really pretty. And you can also use this craft for your room decoration on Christmas, or you can use it anywhere, but it looks really cute and I am really satisfied with how it come, like how the outcome was. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Before starting, let me tell you that all the art material that I am using are mentioned in the description. You can go and check out the links over there and you can also buy it from there. And you can follow me on my Instagram, Pinterest. Here are all my IDs and my website, that is howtomake.com. So let's start the video without wasting any time, and make sure to follow the drill of like, share, subscribe and comment, and also press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start the video. It's Christmas. I am really excited for this craft. So let's get our main ingredient, that is Fevicryl molded clay. This is air dry clay and you can easily buy it online. Links are in the description. So here I have my resin base and hardener. So let's mix this up. If you want detailed video about air dry clay, you can watch my earlier video where I have made a sculpt of a dog. Now I'm just rolling this ball of this clay with a brush. You will roll a sheet. Now let's see what's the next step. Now you will just place the sheet on this top of the cylinder of, you know what I mean to say. I am just going to place this sheet on the top of the cylindrical shape which I made with air dry clay, and going to cover it up properly. If you don't want to do this step, you can directly make a bigger cylinder for the body. So let's just do that. I am just rolling it and making it perfect. Now I have two cylindrical shapes here. I am attaching it to my body for the legs. You just have to make these two cylinders and attach it. I will do the same for the hands. Make some cylinders and then keep it and stick it over the clay. Fevicol is not necessary here because I didn't found any necessary stuff like Fevicol to use in this craft, but if you want you can definitely use it. Now I am making this Santa face with a circle and then just a beard shape like that. Now I have applied the glue on the surface and then going to apply the moustache on the face. This part was really cute of this craft, and I really loved how it turned out and it looks really cute. And this craft looks really cute, guys, as you can see in thumbnail. I hope you like it. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. All the IDs are mentioned here, and all the art material that I'm using are mentioned in the description. You can just go and check it out. As you can see, this is looking pretty cute and I am in love with this craft right now only. So as you can see, I have applied a small circle for the nose. You will do the same, and then I'll just make some circles for the eyes. I'll just poke some holes inside the circle for the eyes and then apply or paste two small circles to it. Now you will make this cylinder kind of shape and apply it on the top of the head of the Santa for the cap, that is for the Christmas cap. If you have this cap at home, make sure to comment down and just let me know what was your favorite part of making this art. And as you can see, this is looking really cute. Now I am going to apply this head on the body of the Santa, and this was a pretty tough thing because it was not staying, so I also applied a bit of support to it from behind, like a brush or something which can provide support to stand it. So now let's see what's our next step. I'm just applying some glue over here to make sure that it sticks properly. You can also use a stick instead, it will be more easier. And I have made this cone shape for the cap, and as you can see, it's pretty cute and I am in love with this. Now I'm just making it perfect, making some texture on the beard. Now it's painting time and I am applying my first coat of paint of this white color. You will apply 2 coats by which this will just become perfect. Now I am painting the area which are red in color. I am applying total 2 coats of each paint by which this will just look perfect. You can also use different color, but red is typical color for Christmas and I am going to use it for my home decor on Christmas. I hope you will also try it, and if you do, make sure to let me know in the comment section and share it on my Instagram. As you can see, I have also painted skin color to the face. Now I am applying the black color to the shoes, to the eyes, and this looks really cute. I am in love with this craft, guys, and like literally this is just the cutest craft I have ever made. Now it's time for second craft. For this craft you will just apply some glue to an empty bottle, and this turns out really extremely pretty, so you should definitely try it out. 100% it will turn out really pretty. Now you have to just spread this glue all over with help of a brush and then apply a glitter on the top of it. I am using red glitter here, you can use any glitter you want. Now we will put some glitter on the top of the bottle by which it will look really shiny and really pretty. I am using red glitter here, you can use any glitter you want. And guys, this turned out really pretty. I hope this video was really helpful for you. You can subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you want more videos related to air dry clay and craft like this, let me know in the comment section. So let's have a closer look to all these 2 crafts, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with all your friends. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comment section that which one was your favorite, the Santa one or the Christmas bottle. And if you have recreated any one of this, let me know on my Instagram. Share it on my Instagram. I will also upload it on my YouTube channel. And with that, today's shout out goes to this girl. Thank you so much. So let's end this video right now.